when you're cleaning a bait tank or aquarium, anything that holds fish in it, you never want to use any kind of soap products. You just need a clean rag and water. Alright, so here's what we have. It's already made up for me because my dad used this in his garage. He put this together. And it's one of these old blue barrels. Down on the bottom it has a little rolling cart. I'll show you in just a second. Then it's got this tub inside of it. This is where the fish will go. Then this tube right here is for draining. And then there's a spigot, which I'll show you as well. Get this camera off of here. And so here's the cart. It doesn't attach to it, but once the water's in, it's not going to come off easy or nothing. But that allows me to roll it over here if I need to drain it, clean it out, something like that. Inside, there's the drain hole. Fills up pretty nice, just a big black tub. And over here is the drain, the spigot, where the water comes out. But that's it right there. I'm going to move it to where it's going to go and start setting it up. I did forget to mention that it does have a handle on it to help a little bit, make it, you know, easier to pull and whatnot. Alright, so here's all the stuff that's going to go inside of it. There's a couple rocks, a couple of pots to give them some sort of like a place to hide, somewhere to feel more comfortable. And here's a little aerator with a bubble stone on it that'll provide the oxygen. And also up here I have a lamp. Alright, so I'm just going to start organizing everything. Alright, there we have it set up. Let me plug this light in so hopefully we can see a little bit better. Yeah, that helps. So I got rocks down there, one of them just holding the stone down so it doesn't float or move or anything. There's a little pot here, so stuff can swim and hide in there. Of course, lots of places in here. Another pot right there, and another pot. So pretty self-explanatory. Now basically we just fill it up with water. And it's starting to rain. Maybe enjoy the rain sounds. One important thing you might want to remember is shut the valve before you fill it up. It's perfectly fine to use tap water to fill up bait tanks and things like that, but set it up at least 24 hours ahead of time, and then all the chlorination in the water or whatever, it like evaporates and the water's safe for the fish. Alright, I reckon that'll be the last one. So we'll plug in the aerator. There we go. So really pretty easy setup, especially if you already had everything given to you. Thanks, Dad. But next step will be getting some minnows. That won't be done today, or I don't know when, maybe this weekend. There's also a heater. Let's see, down in this box right here. There's a heater. You can hook it up as well if the water is too cold, which it probably will be. Another bubbling stone. Just some fish food. There's another filter in here. Don't really need it. Some extra cartridges. And of course, a little net. Gotta have a net. So it really doesn't take much. One thing that would be cool, maybe get some aquarium gravel and, you know, just sprinkle it around to give a complete cover to the bottom. Alright, that's it guys. That's the whole setup there. Bait tank. Out of this camera. Focus over there. Alright, I'm gonna switch to manual. It's autofocus. There we go. Wow. So the pump, pumping that water, and then the light. I've got the cord ran over there. Just dangling right now. It's got Christmas lights everywhere. You see those? Jeez, we can party out here. There's all kinds of deer, rabbit, squirrel, birds. Plan on making a video with some pine needle tea, since we got some white pine trees. Walnuts over there. All kinds of birds. Animals. Again, there's the lakes. We'll be hitting them up for fish, hopefully soon. That's what the bait tank's for. Also want to, it's been raining all the time, so one of these nights I'm going to go out here and find some worms. I was going to do it last night but forgot. But I could keep them in this old refrigerator I got and just have a whole assortment of baits ready to go. Trying to make my own food supply, save some money, eat healthier, all that good stuff, as long as I don't fry it every time, but that's going to be hard to do because everybody knows that's the best way to cook it. But anyway guys, I hope you liked this video somewhat. I rambled on a little bit, drug it out, but you know, this is basically self-quarantine day number 1. If you're looking back on this years from now, you might be wondering what's going on, or it could be a part of history by then. Who knows? But anyway, catch you next time. Thanks for watching. that barking.